support and condolence meetings continue across Karbi Anglong and Assam. Youth tenders public apology over insensitive statement over Raha incident. Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching this morning news with your host Julie Baby. So before we bring you the news and details, I would like to appeal to all our viewers to maintain COVID-19 appropriate behavior as you're witnessing a surge in the cases. Do remember to wear your face mask, wash your hands and face regularly, and ensure physical distancing each time you step outside. We're still in the midst of the pandemic, and the simple precautions will help us keep the infection in control. Now let's have a look at the news and details. Days after the killing of the innocent girl Sumila Ronghangpi, the demand for justice and condolence meets continue to be held by different organizations and individuals across the two Karbi Hills district. Here is a report. On Tuesday, the Karbi Catholic Nimalia Song held a condolence meet at Samson Singingti Memorial Park in Dipu. Led by its General Secretary Pinky Rani Teronpi and President Jasmine Inglingpi, members of the women organization lighted candles and prayed for the soul of the innocent child. During the program, Helena Bepi read out the words of the Holy Bible and led the Mass prayer. At Rongthelu, led by young poet and activists On Teron, Jirjar Timung and Bapuram Rongpi, along with youths and children from several villages in Rongthelu, Rongplimklam area came together to pray for Sumila and above all demand justice for her. The protest condolence program was held at 4 p.m. in the evening. Speaking to the media person present in the program, Onteron said that the KAAC should take full responsibility of bringing back home more than 5,000 children kept in the houses of several people in Nagaon district in the name of giving them education. While Jirjar Timung said that everyone should join in the demand for justice to Sumila, but also be careful not to bring any controversy while posting anything in social media. Similar programs were held at Tegelangjun and Samilangso, where the people demanded that the culprits be awarded capital punishment or lifetime imprisonment at the earliest. They also lighted candle and prayed for the soul of Sumila.
Rabjin paning sai nangi lapente alan tunghan kasih pinai busi dak Samilangso arat pen tuneng di.
Earlier, the All Meghalaya Karbi Association, in short AMKA, had also held a meeting in their office in Umwang village, Rimhoi district, Nongpo, Meghalaya, and expressed their grief over the inhuman torture on Sumila which resulted on her death. They had demanded that the accused must be immediately put to trial so that justice can be delivered at the earliest.
Association, All Meghalaya Karbi Women Association, LAPEN, Karbi Student Association of Meghalaya, Song Thom, Amka Asai Hem, Naking Rumsi, Pini Nitum Plan, Jinghone Injir, Sumila Ronghangpi, Aphan Ningdu Jepiklang, LAPEN Kachulong Ram, Ten Kapixia Job, Nelitu, Ahim Pen. Nengduk lapen ningang je piklang lu lima laki karpia kaya mapan lang rem lang rokok sudah aronten piklempon nanti prakash portugur lapen aspokan ini jum amka sam amkwa ahimpen nenghang ila sorkar aron do anten isulta lapen kok hape.
Members of the KSA Meghalaya and Meghalaya Karbi Women Association were also present in the program to show their solidarity in the fight for justice. Rosan Hanse from Dipu, Samsing Ingti from Dongmokak, Nituraj Ronghang from Sonapur, along with News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. A youth of Bolongkomaji has offered public apology for insensitive statement on the matter pertaining to the death of 12-year-old girl in Raha. The alleged statement on social messaging app has been hurt the sentiments of local organizations and people and approached the local police to express their serious objections on it. The alleged statement was made by local youth identified as Tyson Hajarika at a time when the people entire Hills district of Karbi Anglong have going through tremendous shock, and the state print and electronic media have been severe criticism alleging them of racial prejudice after it failed to broadcast or publish in paper. The youth allegedly uploaded statement which was objectionable to the entire Karbis. Seriously taken note of the matter, local organizations and youths of Volongomaji took the youth to Bokolia police station for his confession and to tender public apology to the people of the entire hill districts of Karbi Anglong. Following this, Tyson Hajarika tendered his public apology before the public and the local media for his action, stating it was insensitive and hurt the sentiments of the Karbis. His mother has also urged upon the people of the districts to forgive him for his insensitive statement and say that such act would not be repeated again in the future. She also urged upon others to also refrain from hurting the sentiments of other communities of tribes in the greater interest of peace and harmony and integrity of the state.
মানে কালি যোৱাকালি এটা পোষ্ট লিখিছিলোঁ মোৰ বহুত ডাঙৰ ভুল হৈ গ'ল চবে তাতে ক্ষমা কৰিব মই তেনেকুৱা কেতিয়াও ক'ব কৰিব নালাগে আৰু আমি সকলোৱে মিলিজুলি থাকিব লাগে
তোমাৰ নাম কি
মোৰ নাম টাইছন হাজৰিকা
মোৰ ল'ৰাটো নগাঁও কলেজত এইবাৰ BA থাৰ্ড চেম পঢ়ি আছে তাৰ কিবা ভুলতে সি মোবাইলত কিবা এটা ষ্টেটাছ দি পালে তাৰ কাৰণে সকলো কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাৰ বাসীয়ে মোৰ ল'ৰাটোক যেন ক্ষমা কৰি দিয়ে আৰু সকলোৱে মিলিজুলি মোৰ ল'ৰাটোৱে যি ভুল কৰিলে আগলৈ যাতে কাৰো ল'ৰাই কাৰো সন্তানে যাতে এনেকুৱা ভুল আৰু ভৱিষ্যতে নকৰে মই ল'ৰাটোক ভালকৈ ঘৰত গৈ মই বুজাই বঢ়াই ল'ম এইবাৰ যি ভুল কৰিলে আৰু এবাৰ কেতিয়াও মই ভুল কৰিবলৈ নিদিওঁ
DSP Nahid Karishma told local media that the youth would be taken for counseling before letting him go to his home as per the demand of the people. She also urged upon the public to refrain from making insensitive remarks or hurt the sentiments of any communities or tribes.
বকলিয়া থানাত আমাৰ এটা কমপ্লেইন এটা আহিছিলে যে এজন ইয়াৰে বকলিয়া থানাৰ যুৱক যোনজন নগাঁও কলেজ এখনত পঢ়ি আছে তেওঁ মানে হোৱাটছএপত এটা ষ্টেটাছ দিছিলে কিন্তু ষ্টেটাছটো মই চোৱাৰ কৰতে মানে কোনো কমিউনিটিৰ নাম বা কোনো একো ইনচিডেণ্ট সি হেৰি কৰি লিখা নাই কিন্তু সেই ষ্টেটাছটোৱে মানে অকণমান যিটো আমাৰ এটা কমিউনিটি আমাৰ কাৰ্বি কমিউনিটি অলপ হেৰি কাউন্সিলৰ মানুহৰ অকণমান জেনেৰেল মানুহক অলপ হাৰ্ট কৰিছিলে কমিউনিটিতে অলপ অবজেক্ট কৰিছিলে সেই ষ্টেটাছটো দি পেলাই তাৰপিছত আমি যেতিয়া কমপ্লেইনটো পালোঁ আমি সেই ল'ৰা যুৱকজনক মাতি আনিলোঁ থানালৈ মাক বাপেকো আহিলে তো আমি কথাটো সুধিলোঁ যে কি হৈছে বস্তুটো অকণমান মানে জানিব বিচাৰিলোঁ আৰু যে সি কিয় এইটো পষ্টটো দিছে তাৰপিছত সি সৰু ল'ৰা 21 ইয়াৰ্ছৰ ল'ৰা এটা সাধাৰণ ফেমিলি এটা বিলং কৰে পঢ়ি আছে এটাই ল'ৰা মাক বাপেকৰ সি মানে আমাক ক'লে যে বস্তুটো সি সেই লগৰ ল'ৰা
asu makan ke ilitum asu angjir asu makan ekjenek itelu pilaso ilitum dan tahan yang antar selong bom.
More shockingly, the silence of the present PDCPO Basapi Terangpi on the issue, the brutal killing of a 12-year-old Karbi girl at Raha, has completely shaken CWC members, terming it very appalling. Rukasan Teron had said that at a time when expanded classes, has On the other hand, a total of 500 people have received Covaxin jab in Danarong Mini Primary Healthcare Center. The vaccination drive began last month for 45 years and above citizens after completing rapid antigen tests. Danarong Mini Primary Healthcare Center in charge, Dr. Jeffrey Hanse urged upon the locals of the area to avail the vaccine at the earliest to protect themselves from the virus, which is being provided for free since February 29 at the center.
Ilumdak Dengong IPSC exercise lo terase nili non golang itu kelas 200 euro ang itu tak umripen corona vaccine ba corona abiji ba corona cream di wansip di gono ma tapi ke muni de tum kuan an se ke cipi ma tapi ke cipi pen ko so ma pen nalang itun ini rat kacini nang iya tun kacini ini la so panang itun dak nilong an kebang panang itun anda curolo pasti niltung dak corona pen kacipe jog dia pan make corona vaccine niltung 29 January la sumben si chenglo sampai hala suhura bangke health official mate dak si opran tilang atung hansu picho.
Vikram Teron's report from Danarong for Karbi Anglong Live. So that's it from us in today's morning news. But before I wrap up, I once again appeal to all our viewers to maintain COVID appropriate behavior. That is, remember to wear your face mask, wash your hands and face regularly, and also ensure that maintain physical distancing whenever you step outside. These simple precautions are all that it takes on our part to defeat the pandemic. Take care of yourself and your family. Have a good day.